Hello, my name is Sagar. Today we will see stack and queues. It is a second part of collection. Okay, in lab 34 and 35 we see the collection, how many types of collection and what is the difference between array, array list, hash table. So in this lab we have to see the difference between stack and queues. Actually these are one type of collection, and you should remember that it is a prioritized collection. Okay, so these both are present in a using system dot collection namespace. Remember this, both are present in a system dot collection namespace. So if I create here one queue object, okay, queue queue obj is equal to new queue, and remember that in a queue the first come first serve means FIFO, first in first out. Okay, so I have to insert the element or object in a queue, and I am giving here 5 and I plus plus. And how to add element in a queue object dot here. Here is not add method, but here present enqueue method. Okay, and it requires object as a parameter. So I am adding the element in a queue. Okay, and if I want to print this queue, how I print this? For int I is equal to 0, I less than queue object dot count plus I plus plus, and here I have to print that console dot write line and queue queue object dot, how I print this? If I want to print this array, so in a queue you can't access the queue element by index. Okay, so if you want to access the element, you have to convert it is in an object array in obj queue and to array method. Okay, and you can iterate through this array, you can get all the element, but in this lab we are not going to see this. But what we see, I have to remove the element from that queue. So how I do this? For int I is equal to 0, I less than queue of count. Okay, but here one thing you have to remember this, you can't access the object by using index. Okay, so I'm using here queue object dot, I have to remove that object. Okay, dq is the method. Okay, and here what I have to write, if I is equal to 5, then break this loop. Okay, and if I run this program, there is something happening here. I have to check. Okay, I'm making here count 5. I have to make that I less than 5. And if I run this, you can see it will print 1 to 5. So I'm removing this, and I'm writing for stack. What is the meaning of stack? First in, last out. Means you taken an example. If you have a one empty glass and you can insert coins in that, so the last coin is out first. In that way, stack work is equal to new stack. And for int I is equal to 0, I less than 5, and I plus plus, and here I have to. And remember, here is not add method or not enqueue method, but we have push and pop method. Okay, and if I want to remove this item from stack, so how I do that? Int I is equal to 0, I less than 5, and I plus plus. And here I have to print console dot write line and st dot pop. Okay, and if I run this program, you can see in a queue the first element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but in a stack we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For understanding, I make it as 1. So it will first insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that it pops 5 last element, after that 4, after that 3, after that 2 and 1. So in a stack, last in a first out, in a queue, first in a first out, queue having enqueue and dequeue method to add and remove the element from the collection, and in stack we have push and pop. So that's all about the queues and stack. Okay, thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep listening. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any suggestion, please comment it out. I will definitely improve myself. And for more resources, you can visit my site www.sagarjaybhay.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.